Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Square dashboard app data after reinstalling, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Square dashboard app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the main menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. Look for Data Export or Export Data in the Settings menu. Choose the type of data you wish to transfer. Click on the Export button to download your data to your device. Once the data is downloaded, uninstall the Square dashboard app from your device. Reinstall the Square dashboard app from your App Store. Open the newly installed app. Log back into your account with the same credentials. Return to the main menu. Access the Settings option once again. Find the Data Import or Import Data section. Select the data file you previously downloaded. Confirm the import to restore your data within the app. Wait for the process to complete, ensuring all data is transferred successfully. Review your dashboard to confirm that all information is accurately displayed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.